Welcome back to Template Style Studios, your go-to place for simple yet powerful Notion and Excel templates. Now picture this. You're planning the biggest thing of your life and your to-do list will just not stop growing. You're sleep deprived, running on caffeine, and it's pure panic here. Basically, you've become a zombie with dark circles. Now that was me last week when launching this channel. I was off schedule and had to sprint like Usain Bolt to catch up. But do you think I made it? Please do drop your views in the comment section. Spoiler alert. Yes, I did make it. And these were the tricks which I used, which were complete game changers. Without them, this wouldn't have been possible. But before I drop these fire tips, hit that subscribe button like your productivity depends upon it. And with that said and done, let's get straight to the tips. Well, this is the exact Notion template that I use to make my channel possible. Now, if you look at this, it first has the wonderful cover image, which also happens to be my YouTube banner, channel's name, purpose, the logo, which I will disclose in some time again, the description, and some other things. Now, you know that we can't avoid the board view because the board view has become a new identity. Now, this first trick was very important because I needed to have my channel's description present in multiple different Notion pages. Now, the problem with all of that was, let's say if I design the entire description, but now I want to add another line over there, then that's a problem because now I'll have to separately edit it for each and every copy. Well, if that's the case, you might be wrong. Because with just one simple feature, you can ensure that you can edit all at once. For this, all that you have to do is use synced blocks. Now I'll do it once and just show it to you that it actually works. So you press copy and sync and you go to the page of your choice. Let's say Excel budget tracker over here, and you press paste. Now, if you remove a line from here, or let's say we remove and projects, it will reflect everywhere. Now, how does this thing work? Well, let me give you a demo of the same. So you first press slash and type sync blocks. So what this will do is that now whatever you put inside this and copy it elsewhere is going to basically link them together. So when you make a change, the change is going to be reflected in each and every of these blocks. Let's just say what we want is, okay, let's check my channel description only again. Control C. Now we press copy and sync and let's create a new page. Nothing. No, wait, not nothing. Some stuff. And well, it's done. Now you might face one very interesting issue when working on this is that sometimes it might just not reflect, as in when you copy it, the text might just get pasted and you might not see this red color border around. So in that case, you might most likely have not pressed copy and sync, or you might have to update Notion. And that's one problem which I had faced. And it ate my mind. Now our next trick is going to save you time and is going to ensure that your templates look good. Because a template which looks good encourages productivity. And I learned that the hard way because my entire template was just packed with information without any help. Now if you look at this, I started to use it with my logo, and that's trick 2. If you look at this, let's just call it the play button because it resembles that and the one used at pending. So this includes a second trick. Now the second trick is if you want to hide an entire piece of information which is present in a header, then this would help you do the same. This is very important if you have a lot of information packed in one section and you don't want to visit it at that very point. So all that you do is create a toggle header for it. Now let's see how we can make it. You press slash and press toggle. Now that's when you have to choose between toggle heading 1, 2 or 3. In our case, let's take heading 2. and put more stuff. So now what it allows you to do is it will allow you to create a set of info which you can finally hide with just one click and make your templates look more productive. This was helpful because it saved me from going crazy after seeing a lot of info. Now toggle heading also has a younger sibling, and that's called toggle list. You might be aware of that, and that's used to create a list within a subheading. As you can see over here, we've done the same with long form content, wherein I wanted to hide the things that I'm making under it. So we just made it into a list in itself. Now the procedure to do the same is also easy. You just enter toggle list, and that's where you when you enter your heading. And once the heading is done, all that you have to do is enter your list or your command. Now if you've been with me until this point, I must say you're a great person and very focused in life. And for that, I must say, you must clap for yourself. Now, when it came to the third trick which saved me, now by now you might have known of this third trick already, because we're already four videos into this channel, and this is the one thing which saved me a lot of time, and that is using the slash. So what the slash basically does is, it opens an entire drop-down menu for you, which allows you to select the action which you want to perform. Now let's just say I want to add an image. Choose an image. Now you know the kind of person that I am, so I'll go to Unsplash and just randomly add an image. Well, these things, along with many more things like creating lists, converting them into something else, for all the things which I did using the slash. Well, these were the tricks which I used to cover up all my lost time and upload my first video on the given deadline which I'd set. Well, these tricks were wonderful, but they would do magic in your life only if you use them, or if you practice them regularly. So I encourage you to keep trying these tricks, and if you stay till the end of this video, do drop a like and do comment about it in the comment section. And until then, keep enjoying your life. Keep trying the tricks which I upload, and share it with your friends so that even they can benefit from the same. Thank you.